Hello, I'm Kaushik. Today I'm going to discuss the topic probability. So, what is probability? You might have heard things like today the chances of rain is 50%. Tomorrow the chances of rain is 60%. So, the key word is chances. So, probability is nothing but the chances of happening or occurring any event. So, here the event is the rain. So, let me ask you another question. Can a dog fly? The answer is no. A dog can't fly. So the probability of the dog being able to fly is 0. When a event whose probability is 0, it is known as impossible event. An impossible event is an event which can't happen. So we will write this way. So probability of an impossible event is 0. On the other hand, if I say whenever a dice is rolled, the chances of getting a natural number is what? So answer will be whenever a dice is rolled, you will get a number between 1 to 6. All of them are natural numbers. So the probability of getting a natural number is 1. So it is 100% sure that we will get a natural number whenever a dice is rolled. So we can write that to possibility of an certain event is 1. A certain event is an event which is certain to occur. So chances are 100%. An impossible event is 0%. So let us conclude that a probability of an event can't be less than 0 or greater than 1. It has to be lie between 1 and 0. So let A, any event, it has to lie between this. An event, it can be anything. It can be whenever I toss a coin, it can be a football match, who is gonna win or lose. So any event, for any event, it has to be lie between less than equals to 1 and greater than equals to 0. So when the probability of any event is 0, it is known as impossible event. An impossible event is can't happen. On the other hand, certain event is when the probability of that event occurring is 100%. Clear? So here are some other terms related to probability, which are experiment. So what is an experiment? An experiment is an action where the result is unknown, though all possible outcomes related to that event is known to me, is known as an experiment. We can also call it a random experiment. So suppose I toss a coin. The result is unknown to me. It can be head or tail. But I am sure about that. It has to be between head and tail. So the possible outcomes are head and tail. But the result is still unknown to me. This kind of action is known as experiment or random experiment. So second, what is sample space? Sample space of an event is the set of all possible outcomes of that event. So what is all possible outcomes? And this. Suppose I roll a dice, so I will be getting a number between 1 to 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These numbers are going to be my sample space then whenever a dice is rolled. So we can write it this way. I can get any one of them at any time. I'm not sure. So it has to be between them. So these are the all possible outcomes of that event. The event is rolling a dice. So this will be the sample space of the event which is rolling a dice. So am I clear? Sample space and experiment. So now come to the point, what is probability? Now I'm going to answer this question with mathematically. Mathematically, probability of happening an event is equal to the ratio of number of favorable outcomes to the total number of possible outcomes. So what is favorable outcomes and what is possible outcomes? So here there is a bag full of 5 balls. Out of them, 3 of them are blue and 2 of them are black. So can you tell me what is the probability of getting a black ball out of this bag? With the help of this number of favorable outcomes and total number of possible outcomes. So if I randomly pick a ball from this bag, I will be picking between 5. So here the 5 is the total number of possible outcomes, and I asked you what is the probability of getting a black ball. So there are 2 black balls. I can get them. So the probability of getting a black ball will be 2 by 5. Here 2 is the favorable outcomes as there are only 2 black balls, and 5 is the total possible outcomes as it has 5 balls in it.